Still searching. Still searching. Joke lang. Oo nga. Alam mo na pupunta. Basta still searching.
For what qualities? Para sa mga interested o mga
Ano, sorry?
For what qualities? And then you search ka of what qualities?
Simple lang ako. Gusto ko yung malambing. Kahit di marunong magluto, basta malambing, busog ka na, di ba? So, yun ang importante. Malambing.
So, nakakabusog ang lambing?
Oo naman. Di ba?
Hindi ko alam. Wala naman.
Ikaw pa. Ikaw pa.
Okay.
Ayun lang. So, importante yung malambing.
Ayun.
Mahilig sa aso, sa animals. Kasi in a way, parang nakita mo...
Iguana.
Parang alam yun.
Wow! May regulation.
May kapiguana.
Basta yun. Ayun.
Malambing.
Basta yun. Malambing. Yung pinaka-importante sa akin.
Okay. Dom, to answer the question.
Ano ibig sabihin mag she's the one? Yung...
Have you found the one?
Hindi, like, what... Yo!
Kalma, Ken. Ayaw mo yan. Hindi namin ito kulitin.
Ako tingin ko, pero I hope I'm right. And I'm pretty sure I am.
Kaya naman. Sana masabi din natin sa sarili natin lahat na andito na yeah, I found the one. Or hindi yung search. Jean. Okay, Jean, you're good?
Thank you po.
You're welcome and thank you then. More questions, please. The blog site and your name, sweetie?
Yes, I'm Gracie from It's Me Gracie that Vlogs Patata. I have a question with Enrique since palaki ng palaki roles na binibigay sa ng Star Cinema and ABS-CBN. How do you feel with all the breaks that is being given to you? And since kasama mo rin si Ding Dong and Bea with this movie.
Level up siya, no? As an actor, nakakatuwa.
Parang siguro mas lumalaki yung pressure, doble lahat. Kasi, di ba, I mean, the more na mas mga kilalang tao at mga respetadong tao na napapartner sa'yo, siyempre, mas doble yung siguro tingin ng tao sa'yo, mas doble yung ini-expect. So, in a way, mas mahirap talaga. Mas mahirap. Yeah, just try to do lang siguro mo. Yung, sana do my best lang siguro. Kahit pagod na, just go lang ng go. Tsaka siyempre, on the way, a lot of people tell me I learn a lot. So, sa susunod, mas naging okay pa. So, yun. Yun ang pinaka-importante. You learn more and more and more. Kasi bago pa lang ako dito. So, yun ang gusto ko.
Follow-up question lang din kay Enrique. Since yung role mo dito parang nagkaroon ka ng gusto kay Bea, which is a little older than you,
Yes.
is it possible for someone like Enrique Hill to fall in love with someone older than you? Parang mas matanda sa'yo in real life?
Oo naman. Kasi dati growing up, sabay ako sa older brother ko pumasok sa school. So ever since growing up, since elementary, since prep pa, lahat ng batch ko 3 years older than me. 2 years older than me. Ako laging pinakabata. So parang, ayun na, yung mga unang girlfriend ko, mas 3 years older, mga ganun. So, parang nasanay na ako siguro.
Na dapat?
Mas matanda. Yes, mas matanda. Kaya okay lang, walang problema sa akin. Wala lang problema.
Thank you. Kay dito naman, question ka lang. Since yung role niyo kasi dito is mag-best friend kayo ni Miss Bea Alonzo, hindi ka ba nahirapan na parang i-portray yung role na parang super close agad kayo since first time nyo rin gagawa ng movie? How is it like to parang i-portray yung talagang close na kayo? Parang 10 years yata yung friendship nyo dun sa movie. So, how did you portray that role?
Yun actually yung challenge Kasi parang isa sa pinakamahirap yun kung paano aarte na parang kakilala mo talaga siya magmula noong umpisa. Pero kasi, nung umpisa pala, I don't know, parang there's a certain magic kasi dahil hindi ko kinailangan mag-effort. It's because, I guess, sobrang generous na ni Bea pagdating sa aspeto niya. Willing din talaga siya to cooperate. And talagang paparamdam din niya sa'yo na, sige, mag-best friend tayo. So, at that part, hindi ako nahirapan as expected. So, yun. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa generosity.
Nagbibigay talaga si Bea as an actress talaga. So, you're good na? Okay, more questions from, that's at this side kaya, you have questions? Si Mau. Si Mau?
Hi, Miss Marty Mao. To Enrique and to Ding Dong. Since working for, syempre, kilala and known na mga actors and actresses naman natin si Ding Dong, si Bea, king and queen nga yan of both stations. Is there something that you learned from them? And same likewise, is there something that you learned, Ding Dong, from fresh actors like Enrique and Liza?
Siguro yung mga natutunan ko is to be more open sa craft mo. Kasi sa mga tulad namin, mga pag may feel kami dito sa set, nahihirapan kami, nahihiya kaming magsalita or mag-open up na parang nahihirapan ako kasi hindi ko makita yung mata or pero kailangan kasi naka-favor. So, naiilang kami mag-speak up kasi feeling namin na ay, ano ba yan, nagdi-demand or attitude or gano'n. So, sino ba ito? So, hindi kasi nakita ko it's sa'yo rin makabalikin eh. So, just be more open about it, speak up kung ano mas nakatulong sa'yo. Huwag mo na isipin siguro more about what people think. It's more about owning your craft siguro. So, ay ganun sila. So, parang pag na ganun sila, parang mas nainganyo ko. Parang gusto kang magsalita. May mga ganun. So, you speak up, craft mo eh. So, parang feeling ko, di ko gagawin to. Parang feeling ko mas okay kung ganito. Parang,
Nasabi mo naman kay Direct May.
well, nahiya pa lang sabihin na narinig na lang ata ako ni Direct May kasi sa isa kasi parang hirapan ako. Oo, yung contacts. Ang daming nasa isip ko. So, yung tinanggal ko na lahat, mas nag-relax na konti. So, basta mahirap kasi mag-speak up kasi may ibang tao kasi minsan pag sinabi, ito gagawin mo, pag sinabi ko, Direk, paano kung ganito? Ay, hindi ganun. May ibang ganun eh. So, pero hindi naman lahat kasi ni director ganun. So, hindi ko alam kung parang tiplan. Basta natutunan ko na speak up more, just show your side din. Kasi, ikaw rin yung makikita. So, yun lang.
Okay, Kev. You have a question for Dominic, di ba?
So ako naman kung ano yung natutunan ko sa kanya. Well, siguro, looking at him, when I was siguro his age, 10 years ago.
Actually, true.
Yung siguro,
Features-wise,
10 years ago, dapat di na ako nag-long back ng mga t-shirt. Okay pala mag-hood, no? Sana pala nag-hood na ako. At saka iba na yung dance moves ngayon eh. Medyo parang wala nang buto eh. Mga araw, strap pa eh. So, but seriously, it's so refreshing to see young actors like Rito dahil syempre nakikita mo yung youth sa kanya na so sobrang parang energetic at the same time may seriousness sa craft. Kasi ako, for example, before when I was starting, sobrang hindi ko, I was taking it for granted. Hindi masyadong seryoso, parang alam ko lang, sige, not as serious as how he's doing it right now. So, natutunan ko sa kanila, pwede pala siyang i-mix. And right now, siguro at my present age, parang don't take things too seriously. Relax and enjoy life, enjoy your work. That's what I see in him. So, these are the subtle tips that I get from working with it, from being with it.
Nice.
Follow-up question lang po to Direk, to Ms. Van, and to other of the creatives. What's your favorite part in working with these two brilliant actors that we have right here?
Direct May.
Part? Well, marami. Kasi one, ang sarap nila tingnan kasi parang, di ba, parang fresh. Pero, one kasi, yung both of them, I have not worked with. It's my first time to work with both Dong and Ken. So, parang it's to, like yun nga, like what Dong said, yung kay Ken, yung energy niya, ibang klase. Parang galing na sa rehearsals, puyat, nagpunta ng Bataan, tas 6 a.m. the next day magre-rehearsal, sasayaw na naman with us. pero ano pa rin, energy niya 100%. So parang you have to keep up with him. And at the same time, parang syempre kami, di ba, parang kailangan i-ano mo yung energy, yung tao ka pagod na pagod, pero go na go siya. Si Dong naman, it's the seriousness dun sa, ano, sa craft. Kasi parang nakita, that's why he's best actor. Kaya deserve niya manalo. Best actor. Kala mo, lalagpas tong vlog ko na hindi ko babanggitin, ha? So, parang deserve niya talaga yun kasi he takes it seriously. And he's very, you know, for his stature, he's been in the industry for so long and for so long, but not longer than me.